going to start trigonometric identities. Okay, trigonometric identities. Now, when we are going to start with trigonometric identities, basically there are some rules which you have to remember before starting with your trigonometric identities. Okay, those are first thing, trigonometric sine theta is equals to 1 over cosec theta, or cosec theta equals to 1 over sine theta. Okay, angle it's reciprocal, angle it's reciprocal. Okay, in the same way cos theta equals to 1 over sec theta, and sec theta equals to 1 over cos theta. Tan theta equals to 1 over cot theta, and cot theta equals to 1 over tan theta. Okay, now tan theta with the reference of sine and cos is sine theta over cos theta, and cot theta will be equals to cos theta upon sine theta. How can I say that these things are equals to this one? So let me just explain you this one. Tangent theta equals to sine theta over cos theta. So see, tangent theta, if I am saying that it is sine theta over cos theta, so tan theta equals to cos theta sin theta. Sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse and hypotenuse will be cancelled. So tangent theta equals to perpendicular upon base, which is the ratio of right angular, which is the ratio of sides of right angle triangle. So we can say that if tangent theta is perpendicular upon base, that we know. And from here I have derived it from here. Tangent theta equals to sin theta upon cos theta. In the same way, all these working will be done over here. Now, these all are called your reciprocal relations. Okay, these all are called reciprocal relations or reciprocal identity. Now I am going to talk about squaring identities. Okay, what are the squaring identities? First of all, the first squaring identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And what are the different variations which you can have over here? You can have sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. You can have that thing. Or cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. That can also be a variation over here. Okay. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. And the other variation I have shifted cos square on that side, 1 minus cos square, and over here then I have kept cos square on the left side and I have shifted that on the right side. I have got this result. Okay. The second one which we have got is 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Okay. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. That is another squaring property over here. So you can write it in this form also. Tan square theta equals to sec square theta minus 1, or 1 equals to sec square theta minus 10 square theta. Okay, this is also an identity over here, which we have got the other second squaring identity, and these two are its variation. Okay, last one is 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. Okay, 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. That is my third identity, squaring identity, and variations can be cot square theta equals to cosec square theta minus 1, and 1 equals to cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Okay, so these are the identities, these are the formulas which we are going to use in solving trigonometric identities. Okay, and you can take a screenshot of this screen also. Okay, so you can have that thing as a record whenever you are solving your question. Keep this thing in front of you, so it will be easier for you to solve these type of questions. Question number 17 is given in front of you. 10 square x minus cot square x equals to sec square x minus cosec square x. Okay, so I can start either from this side or from this side. So I'm going to start from this side and I'm going to make like this one. Okay, so simplifying this one over here, 1 over cos square x minus 1 over sin square x. Okay, if I have simplified it a little bit over here. Now explaining this one, I've shifted these two also in sin and cos. I'm going to shift this one also in sin and cos. So this will become sin square x over cos square x minus cos square x over sin square x. Okay, this is my first working which I have done over here. After that, what I am going to do, I can take LCM over here. So sin square x, cos square x, this multiplied by this will become sin 4x, this multiplied by this will become cos 4x. Okay, after this, what I can do over here is that I can have this thing simplified. Sin 4x is written, so I can write it as sin square x whole square minus cos square x whole square over sin square x cos square x. Okay, now this can be taken as a square minus b square. Okay, and we know that a square minus b square equals to a minus b and a plus b. Okay, now expanding it, so this will become sin square x minus cos square x into sin square x plus cos square x upon sin square x cos square x. Okay, this I have got. Now sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1. Sin x square x cos square x will be equals to 1. So when I am going to simplify it, this will become sin square x minus cos square x upon sin square x cos square x, and this thing is now 1. Okay, so this is 1 multiplied by this thing is written like this. Now I'm not going to mention this part. Okay. Now coming to this one, what I am going to do over here? See, sin square x minus cos square x upon sin square x cos square x. I am going to break my LCM. So how will I write it? I will write it sin square x upon sin square x cos square x minus sin square x cos square x. These two, I have written them in the separate fractions, and denominator which was over here is written under both of them over here. Okay. So now sin square and sin square will be cancelled. 1 over cos square x minus cos square will be cancelled. 1 over sin square x. I have got this thing which was written like this. So I'm at this point. So now I can jump back over here. 1 over cos square will be sec square x minus this 1 over cos square will sin square will be equals to minus cosec square x, and that's your final answer over here, which we have started from this point. This is the solution work, and this will be your final answer.